one of the things that I love about, or that love that you guys have announced, you mentioned, and on our episode that we had with the chairman of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Stephen Whittingham, big up Stephen, he actually spoke about how you guys are working on opening up our stock exchange. What you said was that you wanted to make it so that investors from other countries, even outside of the Caribbean region, could actually get access to our market.
Yes.
And I think that's really big because you're essentially possibly opening up, you know, the almost the sky's the limit, billions of US dollars that could be coming into our market.
Yes.
And, a lot of people might say, oh, our market is not a developed market. And then they blame sometimes how certain companies are priced at certain levels. They're like, oh, if that were to happen on the US market or the UK market or a more developed market, they'd be like, oh, that price would not be priced at that level. It should be much higher. So how are you guys, working towards that opening up? Are there certain countries that you're working on a partnership with right now? Could you speak more about that and maybe any possible timelines?
Well, let us go answer it directly. Our market is not closed. It is not closed to anyone who wants to invest in our market. We have online trading platform, and we have investors from Japan, Germany, India, quite a number of places. So our market is not closed. One of the things that fund managers overseas, etc., will say is that it is not large enough to facilitate entry and exit, easy entry and exit. So the idea is to grow the market, to have more companies that are listed on the market so that it facilitates that. I want to just underscore when persons talk about development of the market, our rules are robust, our systems are robust. All of those things are comparable to that of UK, United States, and other markets that you would call markets of the first world. We are emerging market because mainly of size and not because of what we do. So I would say that we are a small giant. That's how I would describe your market. That's how I describe my market. What we need is to encourage more persons to see the benefit of the equities market and more persons as a result having more issues in the market. But as it relates to closed, our market is not a closed market.